Hi guys, not too far away. Can you get a little bit closer? Yeah. Oh, okay, not that close. Please step back a little bit. Good. Now, today we're talking about math. Let's start. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. And on math, we're doing a few things that we already been doing since last week and also this week. Today, you're going to create another number that is greater than 500. Another one. I know, again, that's practice. When you practice, you have to do things over and over again sometimes. But then, you're going to also tell me what is 10 less. That's the second part of today. You're going to tell me what is 10 less. I know that some of you guys already did it yesterday, because yesterday I said, hey, bonus. If you tell me also 10 less, that's a good point. Now, today I will teach you what does 10 less means. Then, after that, we're going to divide into equal parts. Remember that we already divided into half. The half is 2 parts. Into fourths. The fourth is 4 parts. Today, we're dividing into eighths. An eighth means 1/8 into 8 parts. 8 equal parts in 8 partes iguales. That's all we're doing for today. I will see you soon. Can you please step back? Yeah. Okay. Bye. No, I said back. Not too close. Ow. That hurts. Bye. Good morning, class. Today, we're going to start working with math right now. Remember that we're going to be doing some things that look alike the things that we did yesterday, but let's remember what we learned yesterday and transfer them to today's learning. The first part of the day is the same thing as yesterday. Today, you're going to create a number that is greater, más than 500. It's greater than 500, más que 500. So remember, when you do this, remember that the alligator is going to be eating the greatest number, the biggest number, because it's very, very hungry. Now, let's think about a number. What could my number be? Remember that my number is different than your number. So Mr. Hernandez's number is going to be, we have 500. Let me think. What 100 is bigger than 500? I know. Let me do 600. Let's see. How many tens would I like to do? I want to do 604 tens. And how many ones do you think is a good idea? You know what? I'm going to do my favorite number, 7 ones. 647. So this says 500 is greater than 647. Over here, I'm going to flip it, and it also will look like this. 647 is greater than 500. If you look at my 500, 5 es menos que 6. Y 6 es más que 5. So I only look at the hundreds to know if it's greater or not. So this is why I know that my number is correct, because my 100 is greater than this number's 100. Good? Let's go to the next part. Remember, you're doing this with your own number. My number is 647. On the next part, we're doing what number is 10 less. We're doing what is 10 less than my number that was 647. Now remember, less means menos. 10 menos que 647. So to make things easier, I'm going to draw the base 10 block. So how many hundreds do I have on my number? If you said 6, you are correct. I have 6 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 600. Can you make your own 600? Very good. So how many tens does Mr. Hernandez have? Mr. Hernandez have 4 tens. So I'm going to draw 4 tens. Cuatro decenas. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones do I have? Remember, this is my favorite number. I have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very, very good. But remember, our work today is to find out 10 less than 647. So the number sentence should look like this. 647 minus 10. It will tell me the answer. The best way to do it with the base 10 block, I need to take away. Can you say it with me? Take away. When we take away, we're subtracting, we're doing less. Cuando quitamos, estamos restando y estamos poniendo menos. Take away. So now we have to take away 10. So remember, we have the hundreds, tens, and ones. So 10 less means I need to take away from the 10th place. So when I take away, I'm going to erase it. Lo voy a borrar, or I can cross it out. Lo cruzo, o lo puedo hasta borrar. And now I have, how many tens do I have now? I have 3 tens. So if I count, I have 600, 3 tens, and 7 ones. As you can notice, the only number that changed is the 10th place. Okay? Now, bonus. Because for tomorrow, we're learning about 100 more. If you can tell me your number with 100 more than your number, I would love to look at that, okay? We're doing this tomorrow, but a bonus extra, you can do it today too. Let's do part number 3 for today. Part number 3, we're going to divide a shape into 8 equal parts, en 8 partes iguales. We have 1/8. If we say it this way, eighth. Can you repeat it? Eighth. Repite. Eighth. In Spanish, we say octavo. El octavo. Lo decimos en español. So, un octavo. 1/8. Un octavo. Now, we're going to divide it into 8 equal parts, few different shapes. The same thing that we did yesterday. Let's go to the circle. I'm going to make a big circle and divide it into 8 equal parts. Remember this word. Can you say this word? Equal. Repeat it. Equal. En español decimos iguales. Repite. Iguales. Tiene que ser iguales las partes. Si no son iguales, no es un octavo. So, I'm going to try my best. This is half, fourth, and in between this, I'm going to divide it also. Boom, 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 boom. And on each one of them, I have 1/8. 1/8. Un octavo. No me cae mucho, pero lo sigo intentando. Un octavo. Un octavo. Cada parte me cabe un octavo. 1/8. Let's do the square. On the square, I have here half. You see the half? Now I have here, let's say, fourth. You see the fourth? Good. So now, let's see. I can do 2 more lines here. And on each square, on each block part, we have 1/8, 1/8, un octavo, 1/8, 1/8, un octavo, y un octavo. Cada parte es un octavo. So this is what I did today. You're going to do the same thing as yesterday, but instead of doing fourth, you're doing eighth. I want you to divide me a rectangle. divide me a rectangle into 8 equal parts. Understood? Good. This is all for today. Bonus. Bono. Extra. Te tengo una pregunta. Supongamos que yo tengo aquí un pastel. Imagine I have a cake here. And I have another cake here. Tengo otro pastel acá. Este pastel va a estar dividido en fourths. Y este va a estar dividido en eighths. So this one is divided into fourths, el pastel, and this one is divided into eighths. Mi pregunta es, look at the question. Would you like to eat an fourth or an eighth of a cake? Would you like to eat an fourth or an eighth of a cake? ¿Qué te gustaría comer? ¿Un cuarto de pastel o un octavo de pastel? Esta parte de aquí, would you like to eat this fourth or this eighth? ¿Cuál te gustaría comer y dime por qué? ¿Cuál te gustaría comer y dime por qué? ¿Lo puedes decírmelo escrito? Bueno, chicos, ocurrió un pequeño problema con el video ahorita. Pues, para repasar, quiero que tú me digas del pastel imaginario, ¿quieres un cuarto o un octavo? ¿Qué pedazo tú quieres y por qué? What piece of cake do you like? A fourth or an eighth? Tell me and why. And please, send me a video. Explain me which one would you like and why. You don't have to write it. If you don't want to send me a video, then just write it down and send me the picture of it. But if you can, tell me a video. I've seen a lot of people's videos and I really love them. I enjoy them. I'm looking at your videos for PE, for music, for your art pictures. They're really cool. Keep it up. See you guys. Have fun.